In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your ad position in Google Ads. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started with your first campaign, knowing where your ads stand can significantly impact your strategy and success. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. It's important to have the correct website, which you can usually find by searching Google Ads in your search engine. Once there, you'll see a sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After signing in, you should be redirected to the Google Ads home. This is essentially your dashboard, your control center for managing all of your campaigns. From this dashboard, look to the navigation menu on the left and click on Campaigns. This section provides a bird's eye view of all your active and inactive campaigns. It's the perfect place to start analyzing your ad strategies. Next, within the campaigns interface, you'll want to focus on ad groups. Click on this option to drill down into the specifics of how your ads are organized under each campaign. Ad groups help structure your campaigns and are key to targeting the right audiences with the correct ad message. Once you're viewing your ad groups, look for an option labeled Columns in the top settings bar. By clicking on Columns, you can edit which metrics are visible in your dashboard. This is crucial for customizing your view to obtain the precise data you need. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find another option called Modify Columns. Clicking here will open a panel with a variety of metrics you can choose from. To find information about your ad's position, you must ensure that the relevant columns related to ad position and metrics like average position or impressions are selected. This data will give you insights into where your ads are being displayed on search result pages, which could significantly influence your optimization strategies. It's that simple. By following these steps, you're now able to keep tabs on your ad positions, allowing you to make informed decisions about adjustments that could improve your ad performance. Remember, regular monitoring and adjustment of your ad settings based on these insights are critical to ensuring that your ads land in front of the right audiences at the right time. With practice and close attention to these metrics, you'll be well on your way to mastering Google Ads campaigns. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Happy advertising!